In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a FreshBooks account in 2025 step by step. FreshBooks is a powerful online invoicing and accounting software designed specifically for small businesses. It's a great choice if you're looking for a service that offers both ease of use and robust functionality to manage your business finances. So let's dive right in and get started with creating your very own FreshBooks account. First things first, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the FreshBooks website. Once you're there, look for the Try It for Free button. FreshBooks offers a trial period that allows you to explore its many features before committing. This button is your gateway to getting started without any upfront costs or obligations. So go ahead and click that Try It for Free button right now. Now that you're on the sign up page, you have a few different options for registering your new account. You can use your email address, Apple ID, or Google account. If you choose to register with your email, you will need to enter your email address and create a password. After that's done, simply click on the Get Started or Sign Up button. You'll find either one of these options will get you moving forward. Next, you'll need to verify your email addresses, which is a standard security step in the process. Check your email inbox for a message from FreshBooks. It should arrive shortly after you sign up. Open this email and click on the link or button provided within it. This simple step verifies your email address and ensures you can access all the features FreshBooks has to offer without any hiccups. Once your email is verified, it's time to enter some details about your business. FreshBooks will prompt you to fill in your first name, last name, and business name. Additionally, you'll be asked for your location and phone number. Try to be as accurate as possible, as this information helps customize your account setup. Moreover, you may encounter a few questions about your business type and industry. Answering these questions accurately could enhance your initial setup for a smoother experience. After filling everything out, hit the Save and Finish button or the equivalent option available to you at the time to lock in your settings. Congratulations! You've now completed the initial setup. You'll be directed to your new FreshBooks dashboard. From here, you can begin to explore all that FreshBooks has to offer. Whether it's creating invoices, adding clients, tracking your time, or managing your financial data, your business operations have just become a lot easier with FreshBooks. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard and its features, and soon you'll see how seamlessly it integrates into running your business. And there you have it, a straightforward approach to setting up your FreshBooks account. Enjoy exploring all the tools and capabilities that FreshBooks provides to keep your business organized and thriving. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to share it and stay tuned for more insightful content. Until next time.